Next we can see the calibration of voltmeter. This is the circuit for calibration of voltmeter. So you will be having a DC source and you are going to measure the voltage of DC source using potentiometer and as well as voltmeter. This voltage you are going to measure using potentiometer as well as voltmeter. And if both voltages are same, that means this voltmeter is in good condition or it is calibrated. Otherwise there is an error. So for this, initially you have to connect this DC source. Let this be the DC source. You are adjusting this voltage to a particular value. Sometimes this may be a high voltage source. So in order to measure or in order to be compatible with your potentiometer, you have to use a voltage ratio box. That is, this high voltage is stepped down to a low value which can be measured by potentiometer. That is actually a step down transformer. In order to measure the high voltage, you are step down that voltage into corresponding low value using number of turn and given to the potentiometer. Okay. And this potentiometer, you adjust the slide wire of potentiometer and find the length of wire AC at which galvanometer shows zero deflection. Then using the equation E equal to I into R into L, you can able to find the unknown EMF, this unknown EMF. Next you have to do is you connect the voltmeter here and check whether the voltage you calculated from the potentiometer as well as the voltmeter reading both are same. If the both reading are same, means voltmeter is calibrated. Otherwise there will be an error. Okay, it shows an error. This is the calibration of voltmeter. Next is calibration of ammeter. In the calibration of ammeter, it means you are using an ammeter here and it is connected in series with a standard resistance. You are giving a DC source in order to pass a particular value of current through this ammeter. Okay. And here there is a coarse and fine adjustment resistor to adjust the value of ammeter here. Value of current through the ammeter. So what you have to do is you have to connect the standard resistance. Here is the standard resistance. Connect a potentiometer across the standard resistance. So what will be the reading of potential, or what is the voltage we are calculating from the potentiometer? That is this unknown EMF across the standard resistance S is the potentiometer reading. Okay, so using potentiometer you are calculating the unknown EMF across the standard resistor, and value of standard resistor is known. So how will you find the current? I equal to voltage by this is give you the current. So using this calculation I equal to Vs by S, you find the current through this resistor. What is Vs? Vs is the voltage calculated from the potentiometer. And if your ammeter reading and this current I is same, that means ammeter is calibrated. Otherwise there is an error. And the third one is calibration of wattmeter. Here this lower section is similar to the calibration of voltmeter and upper section is similar to the calibration of ammeter. Okay. What they are doing is they are using a double pole double throw switch DP/dt, and initially this switch is connected to the potentiometer. The throw of the switch is connected to potentiometer and this switch can toggle between this point as well as the other point. If it is connected to this point, then this voltage circuit is connected to the potentiometer. If it is connected to the upper point, then current circuit is connected to the potentiometer. Okay. So first we can see the lower side. Here high voltage is given through a potentiometer and it is connected to pressure coil of the wattmeter through a resistor. Then it is given to volt ratio box. Then the circuit is connected to the volt ratio box. This potential divider point is connected to the volt ratio box. Then the tapping from the output side, it is connected to potentiometer. So when your potentiometer is connected in this first position, then it measures the unknown EMF E, or this voltage V. This voltage across this potential divider circuit is measured by the potentiometer. Okay. And if you are connecting this point to upper side, what happened? This is connected across the standard resistance S. So this voltage is measured by potentiometer. Voltage across the resistor is measured by potentiometer. From this voltage you can find current by, as in calibration of ammeter, Vs by S give you the current. Okay, so you calculate current and voltage using this potentiometer. Multiply the value current into voltage, give you the power, wattmeter power. Check whether that power obtained from the potentiometer or calculated from the potentiometer is same as the wattmeter reading. If the wattmeter reading and potentiometer calculated power of potentiometer reading is same, then this wattmeter is calibrated. Otherwise, it shows an error. Thank you.